This is the VEVOR utility cart. It has a bottom shelf and an upper shelf. And I wanted to express my frustration. This should have been a 5-star review, but what happens is that each of the corner legs uses one of the bolts that secures the casters to secure the corner brace, and the bolt goes down through, and of course, because there's a plate at the bottom of this, that makes the distance a little bit longer, so they have to use a little bit longer bolt. What they did, unfortunately, was supplied the same length bolts for all 4 of those positions on the casters. And what I ended up having to do was grind off. This one is fine. This is the right length because of the added length imposed by this corner post. But this one I had to actually shorten on a grinder so that this would clear, that the frame of the caster would clear. Now the other 2 on the bottom I haven't ground off yet, and this is what you get. So basically it keeps the caster from being able to rotate 360 degrees. Kind of ridiculous. So anyway, it made what would have been a very quick, easy installation a real pain in the neck. And obviously it's going to cost it a couple stars. Unfortunate, because this is really, really, really a nice product. It has not only a handle, but
I would like to show you what the wheels of this cart do when I try to just come forward. These are the 2 wheels with the brakes, and each time they turn around and block moving the cart. And the brakes are not on. The bolts that came with the wheels are.
These bolts are too long. That shouldn't hit at every bolt. It should rotate smoothly, but it doesn't. I'm having to put a lot of force to run this over these bolts. So when I try to do this on the ground...
My new utility cart showed up today.